What's up guys? Thank you so much for clicking my video. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we have another vlog and another Japanese lesson. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you and I hope you enjoy my video. Let's go! So guys, we will start about the weather today. 今日の天気は晴れです。One more time. 今日の天気は晴れです。Ang ibig sabihin po nun is, ang weather natin today is sunny. So today we're doing just 3 phrases para po ma-practice natin and hindi kayo ma-overwhelm. So today, nandito na naman po tayo sa American Village. And medyo kailangan ko po kasi ng concealer. So, yan, we went to buy some concealer and tumingin-tingin na rin po ako sa mga ibang mga makeup, ganyan. Ang dami din yung can make. Meron po ba sa Pinas nito? Very po siya, very affordable. Pero ito na po yung nakita ko na I think mga lang siya, mga 1000 yen. Ayun, 1000 yen. 1000 yen which means 1,000 yen. So, nandito na po tayo sa shopping kaya ang gagawin po natin second phrases of the day is magkano po ito? You can say, これいくらですか? Or いくらですか? And then you can say, 1000 yen. 1000円です。1000円。1000 is 1,000 and yen is yen. これはいくらですか? 1000円です。Oh, di ba? That's our second. Okay, so by the way, nandito nga po pala tayo sa aking one of my favorite stores here in American Village. Puro siya, puro accessories. Tingnan nyo. Kawaii! Okay, so we use kawaii for cute things. Okay, ito na ang ating third phrases of the day. Kore means this, okay? So, kore kawaii desu ne. Or, kore kawaii desu. Ito napaka-useful po niyan kasi kapag may nakita kayong cute o kaya yung girl nyo, she's being cute. Kawaii ne. Yung ne, po yun parang friendly way to say it. So, just to be clear, po siya, casual po siya, hindi siya formal. Okay? By the way, this is so kawaii. Kaya lang tingnan nyo naman yung presyo. Mga 10 piso lang po noon yan sa bayan eh. Ba't ganyan kamahal? You know? And these earrings are so cute. Kawaii! Okay, by the way, if you want to say, super cute, napaka-cute niya, you can say, mecha kawaii! And by the way, guys, I've been wanting to have one of these. Yung nilalagay po sa likod ng iPhone case. You know, para po hindi mahulog ng madali. And tingnan nyo naman ang mga keychains nila. So, kawaii. Ito rin mga kawaii. Si Mr. Bean. Ano yan? Si Daddy. Yan, kawaii. Kawaii! Okay, so before we forget, reviewin po natin ang ating mga pinag-aralan. So, the number 1 is, 今日の天気は something something desu or hare desu. The second would be, これいくらですか? Something something yen desu. And the third is, これかわいいですね or これかわいいです. Yes, and by the way, this is our outfit of the day. Tingnan niyo siya. She's so kawaii. Kawaii desu ne. And by the way, guys, I love these flowers kasi minsan ginagamit ko po siya sa work. And it would make me feel prettier. Alam niyo, yung parang gusto niyo yung mga accessories o kaya nagpapaganda kayo tapos you would feel better just for yourself, you know? So guys, meron po akong tanong sa inyo. What do you think of this way of doing vlog? Na gusto ko rin po kasi magturo ng Japanese. Tapos gusto ko rin naman pong mag-vlog. So parang pinagsasabay ko po ngayon. O mas prefer nyo po bang nakaupo ako tapos nagsasalita ako talaga, parang nagti-teach talaga ako instead of doing this vlog? Alam niyo po ba yun, yung parang ako yung nasa camera, ganun. O ganito lang po na parang, ito, pumapasyal tayo, ganyan, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung scenery, habang binibigyan ko kayo ng mga phrases. Please, guys, comment down below para po alam ko kung ano po yung ways na pwede kong gawin. Thank you! And this view, I love this view. I would never get tired of this view. It's so beautiful and calming, relaxing. And look at her having selfie. Just enjoying her day. This day po wala po akong work, so I was about to go to this coffee shop, pero sarado siya. So, next time na lang. And this is another beautiful view. The sunset. I hope makita ko mamaya. So, ito po yung isa ko pang favorite na coffee shop na I always go to. And, yan, meron pa akong stamp card ba? Tawag dito, ganyan. And of course, we have to sit outside para po makita yung sunset. And yes, I'm gonna write my journal. I do journaling. And yan, gabi na. Nabot na ako ng gabi, kaka-journal and reading a book. Alam niyo po yung overthinker ka, tapos kung ano-anong mga bagay na pumapasok sa isip mo, tapos minsan ang gulo-gulo talaga ng utak mo. So, alam niyo yun, minsan yan, mag-chill lang ako dyan, minsan nakatulala lang ako, hindi naman tulala, pero I just admire the beautiful view, tapos I'd write all of my feelings sa journal ko, and ayun, magbabasa ako kasi para makaalis sa reality, I guess. But you know, that makes me feel relieved and relaxed, and I feel better. But yeah, anyways, pauwi na po tayo, and tingnan niyo, may kumakanta. Okay po, since patapos na po tayo, I will write down ang mga phrases natin today. Kyou no tenki wa hare desu. Kore ikura desu ka? And kawaii desu ne. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching and you have learned something today. Well, before that, siyempre bibigyan ko po kayo ng haul, di ba? So, yep, we had 3 things. Binili po natin yung itong flower and itong pang iPhone and itong foundation. Okay guys, kisses till next time.
Not afraid, so I would fail, but I'm not giving up, I'm not gonna give up right now.